Growth is a change that occurs in living things in the form of an increase in the number of cells and their size, in the form of volume, mass and height. There are two types of growth in plants, namely primary growth and secondary growth. The following is the difference between primary growth and secondary growth. 1. Networks play a role. Primary growth occurs due to the activity of the apical meristem tissue, namely the primary meristem located at the tips of the roots and stems, which causes an increase in the length of the stem and roots of the plant. Meristem is tissue in plants consisting of cells that can divide quickly, forming new cells. Meanwhile, secondary growth occurs due to the activity of the lateral meristem tissue, namely the secondary meristem found in the cambium, which causes the diameter of the stem to increase. Secondary meristem is mature tissue that begins regrowth and turns into meristematic tissue. 2. Place of occurrence. Primary growth is growth that occurs at the tip of the root and the tip of the stem. Meanwhile, secondary growth is growth that occurs in the cambium. 3. Growth results. Primary growth results in an increase in stem and root length, while secondary growth results in an increase in the thickness or ring diameter of the plant. 4. Growth time. Primary growth starts from the sprout until tissue differentiation is complete. Meanwhile, secondary growth will begin when primary growth is complete. 5. Types of plants. Any type of plant will definitely experience primary growth, because the plant will definitely grow taller over time. Meanwhile, secondary growth only occurs in dicotyledonous plants which have cambium, and open seed plants, Gymnospermae.